A quick video just to get you acquainted with your lab activity this week. It's called the Movingman and it's by Colorado University. So we'll be using this frequently. You want to get into the link, hold on to Control, and then click on this link. It should pop up in another window. If it gives you an error message, you have to enable either Java or Flash. And it's okay, you can run it. It's a safe site. It's an EDU site. Alright, so here's this man, and there's position, velocity, and acceleration. There's a play button down here. There's these choices, record and play back. And once you're playing back, it'll give you a speed that you can choose. So you can start out by saying yes, you can restart everything. There's a couple ways you can move them around. You can either move him this way or this way. You could move him just by dragging him around. You can reset. You notice that the time is ticking up here. That's for when you start to collect data and record. So you can give it an initial velocity, 1.2, and you can start him over by the tree, for example. You gotta have it paused though. And then move him around. Now, if you pause and clear, this won't reset everything. It'll just clear and get him back to where he was. And if you want to get him moving, give him some velocity, then hit the play button. It will automatically record, and you can let him walk for however many seconds it tells you. Once you hit that, if I had a time for 7 seconds, I just hit pause, and now you click on playback. You're going to be asked to collect data, so you want to switch it all the way to slow so that you can read his position every second. So for example, if I need to go every second, I'll write down my starting value is negative 7.988 meters, and then get him started. And if I have to stop it 1 second, I can do that. I can also move it back a little bit if I want it right on 1 second. So if I miss that data point, it's no big deal. There we go. And then you would record this in your data table for position, negative 6.888. Then I hit play again. I stop it at 2 seconds. Move back if I need to. Go find my 2. Record this. And you do that, I believe it's for 10 seconds. Once you're ready to try a different scenario, then you can hit reset all to the beginning. You might want to play around with what would happen if I gave him a negative velocity. And you see that negative velocity just means he's moving left. Okay, now the second part is going to ask you to start him, I think, over here, and give him a certain velocity or a 0 velocity, and then give him an acceleration. So I want you to just follow those directions and make that graph. There's a little directions video on how to get this graph. So make sure you watch this link too. Okay? All right, have fun.